Hi everyone, I am Teacher Michelle and welcome to another episode of Unang Math. In this episode, we will be solving some questions or problems in relation to our lesson or topic about centroid and area of a triangle. Okay, let's start with this first question. According to this, point G is the centroid of triangle ABC. If triangle ABC is 24 squared centimeters, it means the area of triangle ABC is 24 squared centimeters. The question is, what is the area of quadrilateral EBDG? So this is our triangle ABC. It's given the point G or this point is the centroid of this triangle. So it means from this vertex to this midpoint of segment BC, then this segment AD is a median of this triangle. Okay, also from this vertex to this midpoint of segment AB, then this segment CE is our second median. And if we are going to draw the third median, it would be from this vertex to the midpoint of segment AC. So this is our third median. These three medians meet or intersect at point G. So point G is the centroid of this triangle. Okay, it's given that triangle ABC's area is 24 squared centimeters. Find the area of quadrilateral EBDG. So EBDG meaning this quadrilateral. Okay, to find the area of this quadrilateral, we will be using the concept of these three medians divide or cut this triangle into 6 equal parts or into 6 equal areas. If triangle ABC's area is 24 squared centimeters, then it means 24 divided by 6. Then each triangle's area is, we have here 4 squared centimeters. So this is 4, 4, 4, this is 4, this is 4, and this is also 4. So the area of quadrilateral EBDG would be 8 squared centimeters. Okay, moving on to our second question or problem. According to this, in parallelogram ABCD, or this parallelogram, point M and N are the midpoints of segment BC and segment CD respectively. And point O is the intersection of the diagonals. If the area of quadrilateral ABCD is 36 squared centimeters or parallelogram ABCD is 36 squared centimeters, we will find the area of the shaded region. So the shaded region is this region. Okay, to find the area of this region, let's make use of this given. According to this problem, point M, or this point, this is the midpoint of segment BC. Point N, or this point, is the midpoint of segment CD. We have here point O, and according to this problem, point O is the intersection of the diagonals. So, if we are going to draw the diagonals, it would be from this vertex to this vertex. So, segment AC is a diagonal. We have here another diagonal that would be from this vertex to this vertex. So, segment BD is our second diagonal. These two diagonals meet or intersect at point O. So, to find this area or the area of this shaded part, we already know that diagonals of a parallelogram divide this parallelogram into two equal parts or into two equal triangles. Okay, let's consider this diagonal AC or the segment AC. So when we draw this segment AC, we now have this triangle ABC and this triangle ABC. And these two triangles are equal when it comes to area. So if the area of this whole parallelogram is 36 square centimeters, then it means for triangle ABC, then this is equal to 18 square centimeters. And also for triangle ADC, this is also 18 squared centimeters. Okay, first, let's take a look at triangle ABC. Since this is midpoint of segment BC, and this is a vertex, so from this vertex to this midpoint, then it means segment AM is a median of triangle ABC. Okay, from this vertex to this midpoint of segment AC, then it means segment BO is another median of triangle ABC. And if we are going to draw the third median, it would be from this vertex to the midpoint of segment AB. So this is our third median. Okay, now, these three medians divide triangle ABC into 6 equal parts or into 6 equal areas, into 6 equal triangles. So, if the area of triangle ABC is 18 square centimeters, divide this one by 6, then it means each triangle is 3 squared centimeters. So, 3, this is 3, 3, 3, this is 3, and this is 3. So, this part means 3 plus 3, then that would be equal to 6. Okay, so let's write here. This shaded part here is 6 squared centimeters. Okay, now, what about this shaded part? So what would be the area of this one? And we will add to this area so we can find the area of this shaded region. So to find the area of the shaded region, this time let's consider this triangle ADC. Okay, this is 18 squared centimeters. Point N is midpoint of CD. This is a vertex. So from this vertex to this midpoint, then segment AN is a median of this triangle ABC. Okay, also from this vertex to this midpoint, then it means segment DO is another median. And if we are going to draw the third median, it would be from this vertex to the midpoint of segment AD. So this is our third median. Okay, now these three medians cut or divide this triangle into 6 equal parts. So 18 divided by 6, then it means each triangle is 3 squared centimeters. So this is 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, and 3. So 3 plus 3, that would be 6. So the area of the shaded region would be 6 plus 6, and that would be equal to 12 squared centimeters. Okay, moving on to our last question or problem. According to this, in this right triangle ABC, where angle A is 90 degrees, or this angle, point G and G prime are centroid of triangle ABD and triangle ACD, respectively. If segment AB is 8 centimeters, BC is 10 centimeters, and segment AC is 6 centimeters, find the area of triangle AG, G prime. So, triangle AG, G prime is this triangle. Okay, it's given, according to this, point G and point G prime are centroids. Point G is the centroid of triangle ABD. So triangle ABD. Point G prime is the centroid of triangle ACD. Okay, now, segment AB is 8, segment AC is 6, segment BC is 10 centimeters. Since point G is centroid for triangle ABD, then it means from this vertex to this midpoint of segment BD, then segment AM is a median for this triangle. So, segment BM is equal to segment DM. Okay, also, from this vertex to this midpoint, then it means segment AN is a median for this triangle ACD. So if this is the midpoint, then this segment DN and segment NC are equal in length. Okay, now, considering this triangle ABD, if from this vertex to this midpoint, if this is a median, and if we're going to draw the another median, it would be from this vertex to the midpoint of segment AB. So this is another median. And from this vertex to the midpoint of this segment AD, we have this third median. Okay, notice that this part is not equal to this part. So it means we cannot make use this concept in finding the area of this shaded region. So what we need to do this time is to make use of the ratio of the areas of triangles. Okay, but first, we have to find out if there are similar triangles in this figure. Okay, looking at this triangle AG, G prime. So we have triangle AG, G prime, and triangle AMN. So we have here triangle AMN. These two triangles are similar figures. To prove that these are similar figures, since segment AM is a median, then it's in the ratio 2:1. Okay, also, segment AN is a median, so this is also in the ratio 2:1. This angle is a common angle for these two triangles. So this is SAS similarity. That's why these two triangles, triangle AGG prime and triangle AMN, are similar figures. So if these are similar figures, then we can make use of this or of the ratios in finding the area of this shaded part. Okay, in here, the ratio of the length is 2:3. That's the ratio of the length of the corresponding sides for these two similar triangles. So, if the ratio of the length of those similar figures is 2:3, then the ratio of the area would be 2 squared is to 3 squared. Because take note, if the ratio of the length is 2:1, then the ratio of the area is 2 squared is to 1 squared. So in here, 2:3 is the ratio for these similar figures, or the ratio of the length for the similar figures. So it means for the area, it would be 2 squared is to 3 squared. So this is now equal to 4 squared is to 4. So 2 squared is 4 and 3 squared is 9. So we found out that the ratio of the areas for these two triangles is 4:9. Okay, now, We actually don't know the area of this triangle AGG prime. We also don't know the area of this triangle AMN. So, in here, they gave clue. And according to this one, this side or segment AB is 8 centimeters. AC is 6 centimeters. And BC is 10 centimeters. Okay, take note, BM is equal to MD. DN is equal to NC. So, this triangle ABC, if we are going to get the area for this triangle ABC, take note this is a right triangle. So, it's going to be 1/2. Let's make use of 6 centimeters as the base. So, 6 times the height would be 8 centimeters. So, this is now equal to 48 divided by 2. So, it means the area of triangle ABC is 24 squared centimeters. So, now, segment BC is 10 centimeters. This length of this triangle AMN is half this 10 centimeters. So it means this is 5 centimeters. Okay, now, if this is half, then half of 24 squared centimeters would be 12 squared centimeters. So it means the area for this triangle AMN is 12 squared centimeters. So we can now find the area for this shaded region or this triangle AGG prime. So we are going to make use of this ratio 4:9. That would be equal to, let's say this is x. So x is to the area of this triangle AMN would be half of 24 squared centimeters, and that would be 12 squared centimeters. So this is now 9x, and this is equal to 48. So if we are going to divide both sides by 9, then x is equal to 48 over 9. Or if we're going to simplify, divide by 3, then this is now 16 over 3. So it means the area for this triangle AGG prime would be 16 over 3 squared centimeters.